What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick get ready with me. I have a busy weekend and it is the morning I want to get ready with you guys, and I created this light, easy eyeshadow look for deep set eyes, as well as just putting on my makeup. So if you guys are interested in hanging out with me and seeing how I created this eyeshadow look, then just keep watching. Okay, let's get right into it. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation in medium. Do I have it? Yes, medium warm. So I really love using this on my neck. So that is the only spot I'm going to put it. It gives a nice blank, smooth canvas satin finish on my neck. Just conceals any imperfections and matches my neck to my face because I don't like having a light neck and having my face look darker. So I really just like to go in and smooth that on first. I want just a light skin tint on the face today, so I'm going to go in with my Summer Friday Sheer Skin Tint in the shade 4. So this is more of like a medium shade as well. It's got some warm undertones to it, so it matches up nicely with the warmth on my neck. But even if this is a little bit more neutral on the face, I don't mind that either. I like adding a lot of bronze and warmth to my neck, and then you can just go in with your bronzers after and warm up the face as well. So it's a busy hockey weekend for us. It's a tournament weekend. I have my nephews playing as well, so I want to try and get out to their games, the first tournament of the year. So it's nice because the weather's been good, so it's easy to just go back and forth and get to the arenas without it being snowy and cold. That just gives a nice, like, sheer fresh. My Merit Minimalist Perfecting complexion stick. A lot of words in this one. In the shade Ear Crew, and just lighten up underneath my eyes. This is nice because it's just a nice cream finish. Gives you a medium amount of coverage. And it just blends out so beautifully into the skin. Just highlight my nose a bit. Just go in the inner corners where I have the shadow. I'm going to take my putty bronzer from e.l.f. in the shade Tan Lines and just go into it with a round dome brush. This one is really light, emollient. It's going to give a natural finish, and it has just the right amount of warm and cool undertones for your contour. And I'm just buffing this out so I don't really have any really extreme contour lines. I'm just going around the outside of the face with this. For my bronzer on my cheeks, I'm going to go in with NARS's Laguna. This has a nice, beautiful golden tan tone to it, so we're going to pop that up on top of the cheeks, on the apples of the cheeks, and that's going to give us fullness and just that sun-kissed look. And it pairs really nicely with the neutral tones in the putty bronzer. All right, now for the eyes, I'm kind of going back to how I used to wear my eye makeup a lot, just to get that more cat-like look, the more flirty lash at the outer edge of the eye, and just kind of make my eyes look just more lifted. So they don't look as open when you're going in with the full mascara across, but I do really like the way this looks on deep set eyes. So I'm gonna go in with my Simple Kind of Life palette from Gwen Stefani and use these cooler neutrals. So I'm going in with the darkest shade first and just a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to put that on the outer corner of the eye. Just going right into the crease on the outer corner and just kind of buffing it in a circular motion up on the brow bone as well. You can kind of just go underneath the eye, putting all of the emphasis on the outer corner. I want to keep these inner part of the eye more bright. Now I'm going to go in with that lighter tone right there, the same fluffy brush, and just pat that on my lid. You can follow up diagonally onto the top of the brow bone, going through the crease up. So we're just trying to keep that area bright and away from any depth. I'm going to take the bright end of my highlighter contour wand from Hard Candy and just go right underneath my brow. And you can just kind of highlight this inner area. Now we're going to take a black eyeliner and go in and tightline on the outer part of the eye, outer corner. Go in with a little bit of highlighter as well. I'm just going to go in with my Hourglass Strobe Iridescent Highlighter. Take a round brush and just pop that right on the inner corner. We want light coming into this area. So I curled my lashes a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with my Essence I Heart Extreme Volume Mascara. And this is where the eye look comes together. You're just going to go into the outer part of the eye. And that's where you're going to put the mascara. I like just having this part of the eye nice and bright, and it just creates a nice shape and just gives that flirty lash on the outer part of the eye. For that cat eye, kind of fox eye look, I think it's really flattering on deep set eyes. And you can really get to that outer corner and lift those stray lashes. I just lined and put some Vaseline on my lips. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you have an amazing, wonderful, blessed, awesome day. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.